Okay, so as you see, I've laid out all of our new sound cards along with the pictures that help us remember what they are. So if you want to remember that this is a, it might help to see an umbrella. So lay them all out like this. And yes, it's okay to lay them out up, facing up the first time, few times even, until you get the idea of how this works and what is where. So then you turn them all upside down, okay? And then you're going to end up trying to match your cards. You're going to match your sounds with the pictures. Those two didn't match today. So that's the game, okay? So I'm going to show you how it's done. Just one person, if you can play with each other if you like, or you can play by yourself. That's the fun of it. Okay, so first I'm going to turn over this. I'm going to say eh. Okay, I need an elephant. And was it this one or was it this one? I know it was close by. I'm going to go with this one. Is this elephant? Oh, no, that's an insect. Instead of insect. Okay, so turn it back around. Same spots. Okay, so you train yourself to find where things are. Okay. All right, so I'm going to turn this. Oh, I found the elephant. Yeah, I found the elephant because I believe the is here. Am I right? Yes. Elephant, Take those away. Those go in my keep pile. All right, now I'm going to try another set. Okay, so I think I remember what that was there. I'm going to try this one. Aw. I don't think that's aw. So I'm going to go here. Or happy face. Well, they're both circles, but no, they don't count as matches. So remember, you got to put them back in the same spot. So I'll try this one, umbrella. Oh, and I just told you about that umbrella, didn't I? Well, I think maybe here. Oh, that's the octopus aw. Okay, put them back, put them in the same spot, please. That also helps if you're playing with other people because then they know where things are. It's not a complete guessing game, it's a learning game. So anyhow, I'm going to turn over this. It's aw, octopus aw, and it was, where was it? I'm going to try this one. I found it. Octopus aw, octopus aw. Take them, keep pile. Okay, next. Ah. Okay, that means I have to find an apple. Apple? Is this apple? No, that's an all right. Back, safe spot, umbrella. I think it's my umbrella. Yes. Ah, yeah. Take them. Keep. Okay. Don't leave them where they are, okay? Okay, there's that I'm gonna try here. Oh, yes, I found the apple. Oh. Woo, yeah. Okay, I'm almost got it. I'm almost done. I mean, okay. Happy face. One over here with hat. Nope, that was not a happy face. That's insect. Happy face. Happy face. And these must match. And the last two, for the root cards in between, setting them out. Insect is. I did it. So that goes in the keep pile. Look at this. We got them all matched up. I don't know if you can see. It looks like the. There they go. That video needed to adjust so it could show us what we have. We got them all. So that's how you do a match game.